Start with a slip knot and chain 96, or else you can start off with any multiple of 6. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert a hook into the first chain which you have made, that's the second chain from the hook, and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. 1 double crochet is already made. Now skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch we'll make a double crochet cluster stitch. Yarn over, insert hook and pull up a loop, pull through 2, but do not finish this stitch. Do this 2 more times. Insert hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook. Do this 1 more time, pull through 2, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops. That's 1 cluster stitch done. Chain 3 and make a single crochet into the same stitch, this one. Now repeat the same, skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch make a double crochet cluster stitch, 1, 2, and the last one, 3, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Now repeat this until the end. Skip to 1 double crochet cluster, 4 loops, pull through all, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Skip to, make the last set of stitches, and in the last stitch make 1 double crochet. This is how it will look. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first chain which you made, the first stitch, and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and finally the last 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next round, 1 double crochet is already made. Now this round onwards we'll be working only into this chain 3 spaces. This one. This is the first chain 3 space. We'll repeat the set of stitches over here. 1 double crochet cluster stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 4 loops, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the same chain 3 space. This is the next chain 3 space. We'll repeat the set of stitches over here. 1 double crochet cluster stitch, 4 loops, pull through all, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the same space. Repeat this in rest of the chain 3 spaces. This is the next chain 3 space, 1 cluster, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the same space. Next space, make the last set of stitches. And in the last stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first chain stitch which you have made and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. 1 double crochet is already made. We'll be working on into this chain 3 spaces. Repeat the set of stitches. 1 cluster, chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Continue with the stitches. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.